Pain during deep penetration, known as collision dyspareunia, is a common but often overlooked condition that can affect intimacy and quality of life. In this episode, Dr. Jeff and guest host Dr. Susan Kellogg-Spadt are joined by Emily Sauer, founder and CEO of OhNut and Kiwi. They discuss the causes of collision dyspareunia, including endometriosis, pelvic floor dysfunction, adenomyosis, ovarian cysts, and changes after cancer treatment. Emily shares the story behind OhNut, an innovative intimacy device that helps couples customize penetration depth to reduce pain while maintaining pleasure and connection. Together, they emphasize that painful sex should never be considered normal, highlighting the importance of open communication, reducing stigma, and seeking knowledgeable healthcare providers. Join us on September 1st at 7 p.m. Central Time to learn more.